Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub for the PAC report, August 16th, 2021. We have 265 members, 249 free, 16 VIP. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit more for a few minutes about the Adsense suspension. I've found out a couple things, not much, but I'll get to that after I go over the site real quick. Every time you check in on a page, it's going to have a red sticky bar. It drops down. Read it because it's got important information. Get your daily bonus every day. Be testing your sites. Go to the PAC report. That takes you to my YouTube channel, and you can see all of my videos. Play the grid click game. It's the only place you can get your free solo. Everybody wins one. You go there, you play it, you get a free solo. Take the promo, redeem it, but also send it to support, and I'll enter you for the contest for the Hercules Plus free nightly solo, which goes out to like 100. I think they're up to 169,000 people now. That site has really taken off. When I joined them back in April of last year, they had 70,000 people. Now they're like 168,000. There's your daily bonus you can set up, earn your credits here, advertise with cash or credit. You can buy it, redeem the promo codes here. You're going to have 2 a day. You get one from GridClick for your solo, and you get one in the daily email. And if you're not seeing it, check your spam. And then you can go to advertisingblowout.com and get another one. And there's the welcome. That's down here. If you haven't done that, I mean, there's promo codes all over the place. Affiliate tools, go in there and get the new splash page for GridClick. It's number 4. It actually says the 6th, but it's the 4th splash page. That's been actually the last 2. Both of them are GridClick are really working well with promoting. They're responsible for about 80% of all the signups. I tried something new with the commissions. I dropped the price down to the special. The problem is being when people purchase it, it's not registering in their website. So that should fix it. We'll see on the next sign up. And those are my 2 current offers. If you got a gift slot, I'd be using it. It's if you got something to give away for free for a capture page, that's a great thing to use. Be working on your downline builder. And if you want an ad exchange like this or another site, click on this and go to Phil Marr's site. He has custom-made ones, pre-made ones, and he can sell you the script, and you can do it yourself. And, of course, if you got any questions, just shoot me a question. I'll get back to you. Still the site. If somebody reads it or stills it, they have to look at your ad. But if somebody's just interested because you got a really nice, catchy title page, they'll click on it. So that's free advertising right on the front page of the site. And of course, this bar here will tell you if you qualify for the nightly drawing, which whoever wins that gets a free solo. And there's all the levels going on right now. Really, that's the way to go. You can get one for $49, but it doesn't have the 200,000 extra credits. And of course, you can work your way up. Every 25 referrals will promote you up, as long as they activate their email. That's what I'm going to go by. I kept saying active members, but if they activate their email, that's good enough for me. Okay, and that's for the site for right now. So let's get to Google AdSense problem. They responded in 2 days. That's not bad. That's pretty good, but it's email. And they said that they reviewed it. They still find me to be at fault for circumventing their advertising policy. I haven't advertised with them for over a year, and the last one I did was Photo Z, was a ClickBank, and they did tag me for that. They sent me a warning, and I just shut it down. I never used them since because I wasn't having good results. It was too expensive, and it was one of those I'll get back to later type things. So I don't know what triggered it. I thought it was maybe something I was doing on something else on Google, but from what they're saying, it's on my Google AdSense account. So anyway, so I started messing around and I found a phone number. And let's see, where's that phone number? Here it is right here. This phone number actually will get you to a human being somewhere in the world who works for Google. And I called it, and she listened very politely and patiently, told her the situation. And she said, well, what email can we contact you with? And I have the old email, but I gave my new one that I use all the time. And she took it down. And then she said that they would be responding in some time in the near future. And without saying goodbye or anything, just hung up. So I didn't have a chance to, put her in a corner, so to say, to get her to, I wanted her to transfer me to somebody, whatever. So as soon as I got the phone, I checked my email and there's their reply. And it's the same form I've been getting if I have a problem. So it was a big, she's like the gatekeeper. And if you don't tell her the right things, I guess you're going to go right back into. So I really haven't figured anything out yet. All they've told me is they shut it down for circumventing their, without explaining exactly what it is so I can fix it. And I'm afraid to cancel it because if you read the canceling policy, you might cancel all your accounts in Google. So you don't want to just go and cancel. As far as I know, I'm new at this. So as I learn it all, I'm going to write down everything and then I'll do one big video on it. But that number you might want to write down, and that will give you some hope, maybe. I got some pictures here. When I was truck driving, I did a couple loads out of Atlanta going to Dales, Oregon, the Google data centers. And what we were hauling from Atlanta was these servers. And these go on, these big buildings go on, they're full. I think it's 2-3 stories, and they're just full of all these servers. We were doing like 7-8 trucks a day, semi trucks, filled from front to back just 8 a day going out to Oregon. And they were unloading that many a day to install. Now, they might be done now, max verbosity, or for all I know, maybe they're building more buildings and continuing. But I just thought you might find that interesting. How big, and this ain't the only data center they got. This is just one of hundreds. And that's how they keep adding memory and all the other stuff that they're into. But that's pretty much what they look like. These are the cooling towers, and I was really impressed. They've got the dam there that supplies them power, but they also got solar power and windmill power. And if they had a picture, I'd show you the windmills. I don't see any, but that's it. I thought maybe y'all might find that a little interesting. So anyway, thank you for supporting Pro Advertisers Club. Have a nice night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.